I do believe that addiction did sneak up on me. Um, at the time, I was just Melvin, a kid, kid from the city that um, had good grades and didn't have that many friends, but I was okay with that at first. Um, and then when I went down that wrong path, I guess even before that, it just caught me by surprise. Um, like the first withdrawal period, I didn't know what this was. I thought I was just cold. That's why I was shaking so much. Um, I thought it was hot in my room, so that's why I was sweating. Um, Eventually, I would look at myself in the mirror and just not recognize the person in the mirror. Like that, this is not me. Um, Took me a while to realize that, but this is not me. This is not the kid who grew up with dreams of being a police officer. This is not um, the kid who loves his family and will do anything for their family, will do anything for his family. Um, this is not Melvin anymore. This is John Doe. This is someone that can't be identified. Nobody knows who this person is because this is not who Melvin is. It's just not him. When my behavior started changing, um, at first I didn't think it was a big deal. Um, I just thought, it was a rough day at school. I'm not I'm not like stressed out. I'm just tired. I sleep a lot because I'm exhausted from school. Um, I don't hang out with my family because I'm too busy with schoolwork. When really I was just drinking the entire time, and I was just busy drinking. I was tired and stressed out because I haven't had enough to drink. Um, and that's when it was the point where my brother wouldn't even look at me. And my brother and I have always had a close relationship. He wouldn't even look at me. He would be the type to always come up to me and talk to me. Like, when he would ring the doorbell, I'd open the door. He would just talk and talk and talk, and like um, when I realized that I noticed that people were looking at me differently because I would open the door for him. He wouldn't even look at me. He would look straight down to the floor and just keep walking away from me because he didn't even recognize me. And I would say hi, and he would just keep moving. Um, so once I realized that our relationship was just done. That's when I would start seeing the bigger picture and like look at myself in the mirror and say, who is this person? Like, what happened?